worksheet that you're gonna get. Okay, so you're gonna have, I'll read the problem to you guys, and then you guys will get the worksheet. So Justin and Adrian deposited $20,000 into an investment account for 5 years. They hope the money invested would amount to at least $30,000 to cover their college fees. So the statement, you'll get a statement. This statement includes the amount of money either gained or lost, and you will have to do the following. So for every statement, if you have a withdrawal, does everyone know what a withdrawal is?
Take money out.
Okay, so you're taking money out, good. And does everyone know what a deposit is?
Yes.
Yeah.
Money in.
Yes, okay, so for every withdrawal, you have a $15 processing fee. Yeah, so there's a $15 processing fee actually for any transaction. So even if you're putting money in, you gotta take $15 out, because that's what the bank charges to process. If there is a withdrawal made, there's a broker's fee. So this broker's fee is 2% of the transaction made. So if you put if you took out $10, then they're gonna take 2 of that $10. I know, that's a lot of money.
2%. So what if you put in
2%, so, yep, 2%.
So if you put so if you put $2,000 in, they would take $20 or some $15.
That would be 20 cents, sorry guys. Good catch. So no matter what you take out, there's gonna be a small portion taken out of that for the broker's fee, okay? So we're gonna record the beginning balance, determine the annual gain or loss over 5 years, determine if there's enough money in the account over 5 years to cover the college fees, so to see if they actually made their $30,000 goal. And then, well, you'll have a few questions to answer about what we did in class for your homework, okay? So I'm gonna help you guys do the first 2 lines once you guys get your worksheet. So I'm just gonna set up my table since I don't have a projector working. No, you'll get like a table for this.
Okay.
Sorry, we're gonna have this ready, guys.
So this table that we're having, do we write on the worksheet or do we write in this?
It's up to you. If you'd rather have it in your notes, you can write it in your notes, or you can cut out the table and glue it in your notes. Okay. Are you doing band?
I used to play. I used to.
We'll shut it when Mr. Chapman gets back. We'll shut what? The door. Because the band's playing. So.
Do you want to know what band I was in?
What band was it?
It's called the
to do it once you get the worksheet. So your balance to start out with is going to be $20,000 because that's what they put. That's what they put into the account to start with. So that's what they're growing on. Okay. So in January to June. See, you can hold on for you guys. Yeah, you can write them.
Okay. Oh wait, where
What do we need?
Move my table in it.
Oh.
I feel like it just came out of
We're awesome. That's because they do
So you'll see on this, the back of the first page, these are all of your descriptions. So these are your semi-annual statements of what's happening in your account, okay?
Oh my goodness.
And then this table is just what I wrote on the board for you guys. So we're gonna start filling out this table.
And you can put it out, glue it.
Go ahead.
Okay, so what happened in January 1st to June 30th of 2008?
Wait,
Where?
Oh, I found it.
you gain /
Okay.
loss $700.
So what the investment gain / loss means, so if that number is not in parentheses, then that's a gain.
Okay, so they gain $700.
Okay.
That makes sense. Wait, so that means positive?
No.
Yep. That means.
Are we supposed to put it in this?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Gotta get it right.
Okay. So what's your new balance? So what did we do? Because I want you guys to write out what you did in an expression. So what would the expression be?
20,000
plus 700.
Okay, but we have that thing called a transaction fee.
Oh, so now you have to take away $50?
Yep. So we'll put that under a withdrawal, even though that's not you taking out money. That's the bank taking out money.
Okay.
Okay, so what's our new balance?
$20,000 and 685. Yeah, 80.
And what did we do?
We subtracted 15.
20,700.
Oh wait, so now I have to write this again? Wait, check.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
it's hard.
There's
to
two words
say.
for a reason. I just got mine.
I just got mine.
Yeah. No way. Hey, don't judge me.
Okay, so we'll do one more line.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait,
so
hold on, right.
you'll
July
do the
through
July through December.
Okay, they gain $754.38.
They gain wait, say that again, Julie.
$754.38.
Wait, $754 Okay.
Can't remember those numbers.
So now you're balance. Wait, so now do you add it from that top? Okay. Oh
Yeah.
no.
Because this is your balance, right?
Okay.
I got them. Oh no.
So it'll be a sentence, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
5 plus 4?
9.
8 plus 5?
13.
Okay, 1, 6 and 7 is
14.
It's 14.
13.
I know.
13. 14, good.
Oh yeah, 14.
21.
Right?
21.
But what do we have to do?
You have to take
$50.
You have to take
Yeah.
out $15. Okay, so you guys get what we gotta do?
Yes, but I need to read where these are. No.
Okay, so let's work. You can use a scientific calculator if you guys want, or just a normal calculator to help you add But let's complete the table with what the information you're given, okay?
Can we shoot somebody? Who's countless? Can we have parts?
Yeah, you can work in pairs.
Caitlin,
Give my pair. If I ever do work with you,
Caitlin's together.
Hey, someone close.
Do you have a calculator, Caitlin, that you normally do?
No, I don't. Well, I actually want to work in partners.
Yeah, you can work in partners. Okay?
What do you have a calculator? We can Marcus does. I got a
Can we do 3?
No.
Can we just pick there's this other syllabus today.
So there can be one group of 3.
Oh, we already have.
Dude, I got like a calculator.
Hey,
Hey, Brandon, calculator.
Okay, hurry up, guys, hurry up. Get in your groups and start working. Okay, so we just had somebody go to the bathroom if you want to join these.
No, that's the balance.
She gets back to 15 here, okay?
Wait, no, that's not the expression, is it?
No, it's not.
That's the real one.
Wait, go. Oh, I'm sitting at the desk on the back. Oh. Oh. Booting up. Oh, I think it's. Oh, no. Sorry.
No, it'd be $20,700. I mean, $685. So minus.
Wait, okay, and then you got the
Okay,
I'm just gonna listen to you.
439.
Hey,
Decimal 38.
Hey, do you have a calculator? We can use this for
At this point, I think Hold on. It's all
21 for 24. 24, 38.
I'm giving you the numbers, so you know what Where did you write it?
21, 4, 2, 4, 3, 8.
Oh, where you write it? Okay, so
Right over there. 21, 4, 4, 3, 8.
Okay,
Wait,
June.
what is it? What is it?
21
What?
4. 21 4, yeah.
Wait, what did you say?
You said something. Marcus, what are you doing?
Okay.
Okay, boys, are you working?
Don't do the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, Caitlin, I got the answer. What is it? I got it. Good job.
Everyone was the first one?
You just like stabbed me. So sweet. I know how to use it. What is it?
Sadly,
Okay, hold on. Balance is
49.4.
I really need to do this one. I really need to do this one, actually.
Have you guys found the answers? Yeah. Why did I do that?
So,
Wait, 21.
Okay, I'm gonna have to work.
Right.
Because,
what
I don't even know where you are.
I'm on
Yeah?
Okay, Jen, did you have to?
It's not you.
Hi. No, bye.
You don't get my calculator.
Huh?
You play black calculator? How good, bro? Okay. Okay, where are you? Okay. Hold on. We need to go to June. We need to go to June. Okay, after this. We need to go to June. Okay, Caitlin, what? Okay. Okay. Oh, you roll.
Let me check.
You don't understand the spell, do you? Oh, no. Okay, so then you have to write this. This loss. This is the, yeah, I know.
So what's our balance?
That's a lot of money.
So what's our smart hours right now?
Okay, so then you have to write this,
And what are we
which is this plus this, minus 15. You gotta use not with this little expression here. So you have to write that.
Remember how we always have to take out that $15 for our too.
Okay, but you're getting the same answer. Okay, so this number.
So right there, that's where you write.
Yes, keep it like this. Okay. Plus.
You want me to do the next one by yourself?
That's where we are.
This one. No, mine is 15. Here. So you got minus 500.
Okay, I do.
But then, okay.
Yeah, you can basically.
So if you're minus,
Yes, you don't have it now. Because you didn't put anything in.
which is right.
So now you balance.
So this just
21.
Write this down.
So let's look at the next month.
21,000. So what? $374.
Just the 49.85.
And
You
7.
don't even know what I'm doing. And then your equation is just this number right here. Times 20. There's a lot in writing, y'all. Okay, wait, keep going. You have to write it down. Okay, then did you get it right?
And did you already do something?
What is it?
21,304 minus. So it's 45.
Yes.
Oh, because with dollars, that we got subtract.
Wait.
So now you'll
So your answer
subtract
is
900
also
from that. And then after you subtract 500, you subtract 17.
I am taking this. Your total balance. Hold on, Caitlin. You're taking the total balance. Minus the yen. I'm tired. What's the answer? That game. What time is it? I mean, what? Like, it's the end. You and Caitlin kind of like tripped over each
Here,
other.
for the seven. Right, so losses.
$515.
I need a bowl.
Well, yeah,
Thank you for that.
that makes sense. So, investment.
Okay. Next one. The middle one. Wait, hold on. Close our tab. Caitlin. Okay, then you have to write this. Just that line. Write that down.
Okay, so how many people are at the July through
December.
December of 2009?
Not yet. No.
Not yet? Okay, just
So
a few more
close.
minutes, okay? Let's everyone get there, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm waiting.
Yes.
We're working.
That's not the answer, girl. It's so close. And then this line. No, you're right. Erase that. Erase that. 7-4.
Yeah, there's this
Oh yeah. No. 3-7. 3-7. Is it 3-7-4? 3-7-4. There. Good job. Now we're waiting. She did something wrong. Okay, we're good. Okay, so right here. Write $21,000. And then write your equation. Wait. Right, this equation with the minus 15.
You have to add this to that. And then you got to subtract this way.
Okay, Kaylee, got it. Yeah, okay, we're on July. July. I lost my packet. No. Okay, so what is it? It's June. It's July. Okay, where is it? I depend on you to do this. Because July.
Oh, they lost.
They
So you shouldn't have to.
take money and they lose money.
Take and type in your numbers.
How do you do that? Oh, this is so much fun. How do you do that? So they take money. Did you get $500?
Wait, I still
Okay, come on, guys. Wait, no, they deposit it. Wait, what? No, what are you doing? Withdraw. Why did I withdraw? Wait, how would you do this?
Okay, so you're at the 500, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm messing up.
So now,
Wow.
We have- July to December of 09, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're withdrawing how much?
$500.
Okay.
But then you also.
So what balance did you guys get for that 500?
Because I calculated. Hold on.
Do you have your balance for that 500?
What is it? I got it. What is it? I can't read it. You're like explaining it.
Okay, so what balance did you? Can you read that number?
From the minus 500?
Yep. Okay, so we have someone with a balance from the minus 500.
It's 20,859.50 cents.
50 cents? I got 70. I got 70 cents.
I got 70.
Okay, so we'll have you guys compare answers towards the end of class. We'll have some group time to compare answers on the list.
Okay.
We'll go with his answer right now, okay? Okay, remember at the very beginning how I said you had a broker's fee for any withdrawal of 2%?
Yes.
So what do you have to do? You have a withdrawal. You have to figure out the broker's fee.
Oh, so you have
So how do I do that, okay?
you put okay.
So
I get it.
I don't get it.
You have to take away that from the 500 and then that's right, and take away more from that.
Being an adult is hard.
How old are you?
I'm 21. Okay, so tell me.
Here and then the minus 50.
Okay, so tell me how to do that 2% of 500.
Divide by 2%.
So 500 times what?
I
don't know.
I
So
added,
let's change the 2% into a decimal.
I added the 5 and the 15 in the withdrawal together in one thing.
You can do that. The problem is this broker fee. The reason why we did them separately is because that $15 doesn't get added into the broker's fee.
It doesn't.
No, only withdrawals that you make, not that the bank makes.
So that means $15 has to be added back on since what I did now.
Yeah, so for your part.
So you don't actually have to minus 15.
No, $15 is still getting taken out every time you do a transaction.
Okay, so that's why I had the 515 together.
Yeah, so you can still do that. It's just when you calculate the broker's fee, you only take the 500 part of it. Because that's the only part that you withdrew. Okay? Yeah.
So, how does it split, 6%
So the opposite of 2% would be, so what's the decimal of 2%?
0.02.
Yep. So we're multiplying 500 by what? 2 over
100.
Okay, so what's our broker's fee?
How do you?
Did you see the subtraction?
10? Perfect, guys. So what do you gotta do?
It's easy.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter
I got
what
20,000
order you're going in because you're still subtracting. Okay, so because we didn't add that 17 into the broker's fee, that doesn't change it. So you can just subtract 17.
This is July 15th. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? I can't see. I'm blind. No, it's also because I'm blind, so I it's kind of fuzzy. So unless if it's in parentheses, you're. It's not. It's serious. I don't have my glasses with me.
So it go in your withdrawal?
Wait.
Yeah, wait, that $10 goes in a withdrawal.
Oh, $10 plus that.
Wait, I thought it was not open. That's your withdrawal.
Yeah. Wait. Hold on, I'm confused.
I think it was.
Where-
Yeah. Unless they make some major. Oh, they do. If you look ahead, they.
What?
Whoa, yeah.
Do you wish that you're still in school?
Do I wish that I was still in school? I am still in school.
$900.
Let's go work on the registrar.
Well, it would be. What? I hear you.
50 now we do.
At 20, now we do 9.
50.
Yeah.
And then you have to
take away what you take away.
Okay, so now, hold on.
Yeah, I think that's a good buy on the calculator.
What is this?
Honestly,
Remember your negative 2%. Okay, so see how in July,
I sneezed and I like squealed from
that one further draw.
Yeah, exactly.
A huge
Really loud.
Yep. And then that's where we went over there. That was 2%. And then back to dollars. Yep. And then, well, what else do you got to do? So what else happened that month? So you lost 1741. So you'll have to subtract that. And then what else do you always have to subtract? Yep. So that's what happened in those months.
Yeah.
no, that's a really nice. So you're talking.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be ready. Minus 17.41.
No, there's only a loss.
Minus 17. I messed everything up like 3 times.
Yep.
Well, what at the end that I got
I think the best game we played was the one was you guys.
was 40.
What's up?
Okay. So what is this?
So what else happened in that month?
I told you about the 17.
You didn't tell me.
So what else do you gotta do?
Then you gotta take $17 something.
41 cents.
41 cents.
Okay. Okay, now this makes more sense. Okay. Wait, I gotta use my calculator. 8, 3, 4. Wait, what? I didn't hear. Wait,
I'm actually gonna bring us up as a class and just.
I'm still on January 15th. Seriously, Caleb?
Well, you're using calculator.
Well, yeah, you could have.
Okay, everyone. So how can this help you? How can keeping track of it like this help you?
It can teach you what you have to do when you go to college and in life.
Yeah. So this is really important. Money rules the world, unfortunately.
Yes.
scares me.
Well,
Now that I have
it's scary. Then you have to pay annual taxes.
Yep.
for college or
Okay. So we're gonna the next part of this problem they're gonna be work on your own. So if you didn't finish the table, you'll have to finish the table on your own. And then we have a total gain / loss chart. Okay, so this chart, after you finished your table, in the year of 08, you'll just add up all of your gains and losses for the year of 2008. And then the same for 2009, you'll add all of that up, of how much you gained or lost. Okay, then you'll have a few questions to answer, just about that chart. Does anyone have any questions on what they have to do to finish the chart?
question, will we, like, are we going on to the next thing right now, or do we have a little bit more time to work on the chart?
I can give you guys 3 more minutes to work on the chart if you guys want. Okay?
And is
And
it
you can start on the
for
gain
minus
loss.
15, or is it that 41? Practice that, did you get 208, 17, 20, 09? Yes. Wait, okay.
Just think that there's some groups that don't have any calculator at all.
Plus, they make,
Like the other person.
and
the game loss chart coming.
What is it?
So this is homework if you don't hate it.
We'll have it.
I got 2, 1, 4, 9, 4, 0. Yeah. Is this homework if we're not done?
Yeah, it's not that long, guys.
The packet or just the class?
We'll do up until, the questions, so you'll have to answer the questions about the chart.
So is the whole time too?
We don't have to.
No, it's not the entire packet, so you'll do 8, which is about the chart. And then, we'll go over this today, but you guys don't have to do that part for homework.
So we don't have to do question 8 for homework?
Question 8 is homework, because that's related to the chart.
Is this, but you have to finish the chart.
Yeah. So you have to finish your chart, and then you'll do total gain and loss, and then just the questions on it, okay?
4. 9 minus 5 is 4.
So if you're
4 minus 5 is not 4. Negative 1.
What?
Oh no! Easy, easy, easy. Where's the 4? Minus 4?
Brian, did you get one? 479.02. Same.
Okay, give me my energy. Caleb, pull it out.
It is December.
Where?
December.
Ah, Caleb, you come on my paper, bro.
Wait,
They're depositing. So that means they're adding it. Look at it. It'll look up adding 1,000. Wait, that's not right. 1,000.
No.
Okay, so they gained.
We still have 3 more. Hold on. And then you have to add it. Investment. So you have a second investment. Okay.
No, you don't plus.
I'm doing math.
You're doing math.
What are the What about the first number? We didn't figure out the sum of the first number.
Okay, it looks like about everyone is halfway done with that chart. So, yeah, you'll have to complete the whole chart, okay? To answer all the questions. Okay, so let's come back as a class. Okay.
Yay! I'm still on January.
It was through June. There's a bunch of January through Junes.
In 2009.
It won't take you that long, I promise.
This is what I got so far. This is what I've gotten so far. I'm on a roll. What's a 9?
Okay. So we have a new chart. So now we're going to work backwards.
Okay.
So you guys understand working forwards from a beginning balance until you get to an end balance?
No.
Okay, so now after number 8, so it's on the back side of number 8. This new chart, okay?
Oh, no, I love
I love you. You'll be okay.
My summer would
Trust me.
probably be I did math because that's like my answer for everything.
Okay, everyone. So this one, they gave you the ending balance. Okay?
Wait.
Beginning balance. So see how you don't have a balance up top?
Where?
But in
On the back page,
bottom
people.
corner.
Wait, not on the back, second back. Second back. This?
Oh God,
Here.
you can have it right now.
Oh,
It's just
I did.
oh, so now you Wait.
Okay, everyone.
We don't know where to go.
Okay,
No, we know what our ending balance is.
Sure.
It's
It's all like it was.
Okay? So we have this number way down here in our chart, which is 525.55.
So the charts.
No, we're doing this chart together.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
You.
Can I use my? I'm just barely.
Yeah, you can help me out with your calculator.
Okay.
Okay. So we're working backwards to get our beginning balance. Okay, so our first line, it says you had a payment of $65.48.
Wait, what?
Yes, very bottom line.
So to work backwards, you have to work at from the very bottom. So we're starting at the bottom line. I know this is a little weird, starting at that bottom line, okay? So if originally you subtracted the $65.48, what do we want to do now? Add. Yep. Okay. So this balance up here above this, you add these two together. What would that be?
Add what?
This two. Oh, okay.
This two.
$591.
No, that's wrong.
And
Does everyone understand why this is a bigger number?
It's
Yes,
and 3
you're
cents.
Yep.
It's 3 cents, not 30.
Not 30.
Oh, and 3 cents? Sorry, guys.
That's
I'm sorry, I did it.
Okay.
Wait,
Put it on a spot.
So what does this line say? Did we make a payment or a deposit?
deposit.
Of how much?
$150.
Yeah.
Okay, so did we originally add or subtract that 150?
Subtract. No,
Add
add.
it.
Okay, so we originally added it, so what do we want to do?
Subtract it.
Subtract it, yep. So what's our new balance?
Wait.
That's what a year.
Everyone agree?
Oh, wait, wait, is it 491 or 44?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, we are. So we're on this page. See how we're working our way up?
I know
That's
the
what our
next
balance is.
answer.
So see how I'm writing it?
441? No,
Wait.
491.
Did I write this?
Wait, 591.
Hold it.
Is that 491?
You're the opposite of subtraction. Just adding.
Oh my goodness, I'm stretching.
Okay, so what did we do
Wait.
next? Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Am I doing this wrong?
No.
Yeah, you gotta put the 441 right there.
What?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Okay.
I know what the next one is.
I'm so confused. I can do this because now.
Oh, okay, I know what the next one is.
Okay,
There you go.
so who has the next one?
Me. I don't actually.
Okay, so who can tell me what we did?
Added.
What did we do?
Add.
Added what?
$285.
And someone else tell me our new balance.
726 and 3 cents. 30 cents? And 3 cents. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so let's see who can get the next one. Okay, so let's, if you got it already, work on the next
Also, we're
balance.
I got it.
Wait. That doesn't look right at all.
Yeah, I think it's just it's
Well,
less than
zero
that.
is three then.
Actually, yeah, that's actually
adding
it.
Were you supposed to add
What?
or subtract this one?
No, you subtracted. Oh no, you subtracted. Oh, you're on that one.
So wait, were you supposed to add or subtract this one?
You need to subtract.
We're gonna subtract that one, right?
Oops.
Okay.
So am I.
That 700 was right though, remember,
Oh.
because that's when we ended that.
I'm just gonna estimate.
Okay, I'm done.
Marcus, you're smart.
Like you.
Yeah,
Marcus. Yeah. Okay, so. Yeah, I'm done.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, you add.
Okay, so hold up. I think track it.
Yes, you subtracted 200, right? Did you add your 75?
I said
Sure.
I subtracted by 200, and that's
And
right
that's what gave
here.
you this. The 526.
No, I said payments.
I know this chart's a little confusing.
Because I thought you put
And
the
I get in the middle.
answer on the actual here.
Why did you
that
that's
doesn't
why
matter.
leaving it for in the middle socials that I
Because what this gives you is 75. So this minus 75 should be this answer. Okay.
I said, why did you wait at me when I was up here?
Wait, so this one right here is our total balance.
Yeah, you got it. If you originally subtracted.
I said this one.
If you originally subtracted.
That says 99 cents. Did you do the 99? We're talking about the
Fred, look, you keep doing that. It's subtracting what I'm trying to add.
I haven't talked to him. Talk to both of them.
Okay, so I add this one. Add it. This one.
So,
I got it all wrong. It's paper got in my head. No, you got. I was talking to Cole. Sure. You're talking to Jack.
okay. Work on that. Okay. Add the next one to the board. So
Yeah, I just left me.
I did the whole one.
Okay, done.
Okay, so we have the next line up on the board. So we, what, added or subtracted 200? Does everyone agree with this answer?
I haven't finished yet.
$526.
Yeah, I agree with that. I agree.
I'm mad at you.
Who, me?
Yes, you. You're Ash.
So,
Isn't the beginning
we're
balance
adding
$200?
if you deposit.
Okay.
You made me angry.
I think that was me.
So now you're gonna subtract this. And if you want to make a payment,
You
so now you're gonna add this.
Do you want to see her explode? She'll,
So what do
she'll,
you
that's
think?
how she explodes.
This with this. So you want to add
See,
this.
remember to keep your mouth shut.
Okay, can I write the next answer?
Yes,
You
you
made
may.
sure double check it's right.
Did I do
Can I
it?
write the next answer?
You got 75?
Yes. Can I write the next answer after?
Yes, you may.
Ah!
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry.
There's somebody out.
All that.
I got him.
She graduated. Not that. Wait, that's not right.
No.
Awesome.
So,
She was so mad.
Why?
Rob.
Final answer. I got $801.02.
okay, so we have the next line.
That's what I got.
Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
I spiked you in the face with the ball.
You have to put in the answer.
because the only way that the last decimal would be 03 would be if there was $200 raise. Like 199. Somebody rounded it.
Perfect. So we gotta change that too.
Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you. Finally, Cole.
Good job.
Okay.
He's so far off.
He wasn't that far off.
No, it was a
One
cent
cent
off. But a cent matters in the real world.
No, doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, people matter.
If you're paying taxes.
Okay, everyone. So we have about 5-ish minutes left.
Okay.
I'll give you guys time to finish the charts. 3 minutes.
What about this chart?
Wait. So that chart is what you do after this. Okay, and your homework's gonna be this, finishing this chart,
And then 8.
doing the gain and loss chart for each year. That's related to this. And then number 8, so answering the questions about that first chart we did, okay?